have some leftover pressure treated deck boards here, and lucky enough, my mother-in-law wanted me to build her a little step going out of her porch. What she has now is the doorway's bigger than the step itself, and she wants it to be wider. So I have 3 pieces left over here at 57 inches and 1 at 55. I really would like it to be 57 inches, but because I have the one at 55, we're gonna go 55 inches. So I kind of, basically what my plan is to make like a box, and call it a box step, which will just place right over the current step and give it a little bit more length as it surpasses the doorway, so that it's safer for her and for her family over there. So that's what we're gonna do today. I drew up like a mock draft of how I want it to look. You can take a look at it. Probably doesn't mean anything to you guys, but when we get to the final piece, hopefully we can just drop it right in and it'll be secure and ready to go. It's kind of like a floating box step. I guess that's what we'll call it. So let's get started and go from there. See if this works out. So starting to build a box, I'm going to use 3-inch deck mate wood screws. First thing I'm going to do is pre-screw them in, so it makes it a little easier when I start building. So now to just make this space right here a little bit more secure in the back, I just got to cut a 6-inch piece. That's going to go in between there just to kind of make it a little bit more stable. So I do know that the original step that's there goes in 11.5, or comes out 11.5 inches. So I am going to add another piece, face piece at about 11.75 inches, just to give a little bit of space there, make sure it fits if it's uneven. So I got to cut that down and put that in place. So now I'm going to want to put 2 more braces right on the inside of here so that it really secure the deck boards onto this piece. So that was kind of my vision, to make it look like that, and now we'll attach the top. But if you look at here, it's pretty much what we got. So I think we did a pretty good job there. So now let's get the top on here. Tell you what, this thing's pretty dang heavy. It's all pressure treated. So these I will attach with 1 5/8 inch deck screws. Okay, here's the finished step. I'm gonna bring it over. Hopefully it does fit in. As we look at it, it looks pretty decent. Again, this is temporary because there's gonna be a deck being built probably next spring on the property. But if you wonder why there's no braces on this right here, is because the hope is it is going to fit right on top of the actual concrete step that's there. So that will support it as good as it can. So.